Alright guys, so welcome back again in our MySQL playlist. So in this video we are going to learn about what is subquery. A subquery in MySQL is a query nested inside another query. It allows you to retrieve data in a more or flexible and effective way by using the results of one query as a condition or value for another query. So subqueries we can use in our statements like select, insert, update, and delete. And our subqueries, we have mainly two types of subqueries: single row and multiple row. So first, we should understand what is single row subquery. So this returns a single row of results, and it is typically used with comparison operators like equal to, greater than, less than. So these types of operators we use in our single row subquery, and in our multiple row subqueries uh, we use that to get returns of results. It is used with operators like in, any, or all. So these are the operators we use for multiple row. Let's understand by using our my workbench and understand what is subquery means. And also in our subquery we basically use for uh, when we need to filter results based on aggregate data. We use subqueries when we want compare different values within the same table or access tables. Uh, if you need to compute values for conditions or for other columns, so these types of work we can do with subqueries. All right, guys. So for subqueries, we can make a new table, and in the table, we created a students table, and in the table, let's add a roll number, integer type. We give integer type here there, primary key, use comma, name, varchar. Let's say 50. Add one more, marks. I want to add marks in that, and value should not be null. Add grade, give grade A, add city, add data type varchar and 20. Alright, so now we create our table. Let's run this code first of all. You can see our code is executed successfully. And now let's insert some values in that. Okay, so for that, insert into what? Students. In the students, give the proper line, roll number, then we add name, then we will add marks, and we will add grade and city. Close parenthesis, add values. Now let's say 101 Yash. Yash has marks 78, and he has C grade. He lives in Boston. Okay, 102. Let's say Jack. Jack has 93 marks. Give A. He lives in LA. Add 103. Add one more name. Let's say Raj. Raj has 85 marks and he has B grade and he lives in Miami. Don't forget to add comma after every row. Add 104. Now Kashi. Kashi has 96, let's say. and she has A grade, and she also lives in Boston. Let's see, lives in Boston, 105, and James. Let's say James has 92 marks, and he has A grade. He lives in Houston. Use comma 106. Now we have Daniel. Daniel has 82, let's suppose, and he has B grade, and he lives in N- New York, NYC. All right, and use semicolon. Let's try to run this code, but before that, let's just uh, properly set our names. Kashi, Daniel. Yeah, yeah. Run this code. Execution. We have all the data. Let's just check. Select all from students. Use semicolon. So run this code. As you can see, we have all the data in our table right now. And now we want, so as you know, we have 87.66 marks. Let's just know 87.66. So I want those students who have more than 87 marks, and I want to print those students' name and also their marks as well. So we use subqueries for that, and for what we can write select name, and I also want marks. So marks from students, and where marks as greater than 87.6667 semicolon. So now we will hopefully we will get name and marks those students who have more than 87 marks. So let's just run execute our code and see what we have. So yeah, we got the 93, 96, and 92 marks, and the name of students who has more than 87 marks. And we can see, let's select name marks from students where marks is greater than our because we have to add subquery here where column name an operator and subquery. So I want to use subquery as this. So let's just select this one average, our average mark, and now we will see our average mark here, and just close this parenthesis, left parenthesis, and now we will get the data uh, where marks is greater than all the select average marks. So we will get the data same as we got the same output here. As you know, we have this Jack 93, Casey 96, James 92. But what about what if in future we will add some more data here, and the our average will be changed, right? So for those scenarios, we can use this dynamic way. We can run this code and let's just see. So this is the way we get the same output as we run this code, but the process here is becomes a dynamic. So in the future, let's suppose we add some more data in our table. We have students table here. So as you know, we can add more data, and in future, if we run this code, it will give us a false value. But if we run this code, we will get the exact value in the future. So this is the way you can use subqueries in our MySQL workbench. Using this example, we have defined the names of all students with even roll numbers, and we have some steps, and we will write some codes in that. Find the even roll numbers, and step 2 would be find the names of students with even roll number. So first of all, let's just remove our previous all the this lines of code. Remove this, and we have our table. And so for that, select, let's see, select all from students, and just to confirm that we have this all the data in our table. Run this code, and you can see we have all the data here. And now let's perform our step 1. So for that, select roll number from students, where roll number modulo 2 is equal to 0, because we want even numbers, right? Yeah, we want even roll numbers. So for that, we use modulo 2 is equal to 0. And let's see what we have in our output. Yeah, we have 102, 104, and 106. And let's say I also want to uh, say I want to add name here, right? So I can also add name in that. Select, run this code. You have with roll number with name. Name Jack 102, Cassie 104, Daniel 106. So close this, and also perform our step 2. Select name, roll number, and from our roll number, uh, we can also we just need to copy and paste here. We don't need to even write more code here. Just use parentheses, and so this is the way you can also add your step 1 in our step 2. Remove this semicolon and run this code. So we have the error here, so it shows that you can't uh, append should obtain column 1. Alright guys, so you have to be specific with that. Use this code, and now run. Oh, we also have, yeah, you can use a name in that. Run this code. Now we have Jack, Cassie, Daniel, 104, 104, 102, and 106. So yeah, this is the way we perform our step 1 and step 2. Find the name of students with even roll number. So we have the name, and we have also we have your even roll number. On a previous first step, we use name, and we mistakenly add a name here, so that's why we got the error here. But now our step 1 said like find the even roll number, and we got the even roll number. Let's remove this, run this code. We have roll number, and step 2 asking to find the names of students with even roll number. So now we have both the values. Select name and roll number from students, where roll number is this. So you have name and roll number both. So this is the way you can perform subqueries